You know, this wouldn't have happened if you were educated on proper fire safety.
I'm so sorry, I had no idea.
Don't worry, I'll teach you. First of all, make sure you have functioning fire alarms. You should be checking the batteries every month. You know, 2/3 of all fire deaths occur in households with non-functioning fire alarms. Yeah, you're definitely going to want to get that one fixed. Christmas time can be one of the most dangerous times of year for fires. U.S. fire departments respond to about 170 Christmas tree fires. And don't overcrowd your plugs. These could spark and cause a massive fire in your house. And when you're not using your stove, make sure it's powered off. And never leave handles facing out. Turn them this way so if you were a child, don't bump into them and get burned. Make sure you follow these tips so you don't end up like me. You too.
Well, I'm sorry I let you die.